Hi, today I would like to show you an example of what process automation, SAP Build Process Automation can look like. In this case, I want to read HR data from a web application and transfer it to an Excel. The whole thing runs on my laptop. In the normal case, I would run it on a virtual machine. I have built an automation for this. This consists the following parts. First, open Excel and open Workbook. This opens the Excel spreadsheet. Then second, navigation and routing. Navigation and routing. The screen recording function was used in SAP Build Process Automation to record the web application from which the data is to be read. Third, at the end, the application is closed again and Excel is also closed after all data has been entered. Fourth, at the end, the automation for sending the mail is triggered. This is called Outlook. The Outlook activity consists of three parts: open Outlook, send mail, and end activity. So my Outlook on my laptop is not closed. Now let's take a look at this. On the left-hand side, we can see where the process is currently located. And now we can see the Excel has been opened. And the bot goes through all the employee data step by step and reads the fields: first name, last name, address, city, phone number, and country. Now we see briefly that the data has been written into the open Excel. The process has now been completed. I now open my Outlook on my laptop and call up the mail. Now let's take a look at the attachment. Yes, that worked. I hope you enjoyed the insight. Have fun developing and see you next time. Bye.